Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Hello. Today I am here with a new topic, that is blood vascular system. Blood vascular system of human body comprises of heart. It is an organ which pumps blood to whole of the body. Blood, it is a transporting medium. Blood vessels, these are the tubes through which blood flows. The blood vessels are of three types. These are arteries, veins, capillaries. Their function and structure is explained ahead. First, we will continue with blood. Blood, it is a mobile, reddish colored fluid that circulates in blood vessels of human body. It supplies nutrients and oxygen to all living cells and removes waste products and carbon dioxide from them. The chief function of blood as a transporting medium. Blood has two components, plasma and blood corpuscles. Plasma, it is a colorless fluid, consists of 50% water, salts, enzymes, antibodies and proteins. Blood corpuscles. Three types of blood corpuscles are present. These are red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells, oxygen transport. White blood cells, main function defense. Platelets, main function blood clotting. First we have red blood cells. It consists of hemoglobin pigment which is present with iron molecule. This hemoglobin pigment binds with oxygen and forms oxyhemoglobin which is transported to whole of the body, WPCs. Their main function is defense. They are also called as soldiers of body. These fight against disease. Platelets. The main function of platelets is blood clotting. These are the tiny small cell fragments which helps in blood clotting when there is any wound. Important functions of blood. Transportation of soluble digested fat, food from small intestine to various parts of body. As we all know, in small intestine food is assimilated and absorbed, and from here there are lacteals, blood lacteals present in combination with small intestine. These blood lacteals carries absorbed nutrients to whole of the body. These also carry glucose from liver to the muscles when we do any muscle movement. These carries excretory materials to the organs of excretion. For example, urea is made in liver during urea cycle and it is transported to kidney, and from kidney it is excreted out during micturition or excretion. Fourth function is it carries hormones from endocrine glands to the target organs. It also maintains body temperature by distributing excess heat from the deeply situated organs. The main function is transport oxygen to all parts of body in the form of oxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin, when combines with oxygen, it forms oxyhemoglobin, and in this form oxygen is transported to whole of the body parts. Oxygen is utilized to release ATP. ATP is the energy currency of a cell. ATP is a unit in which energy is synthesized and utilized. It also carries carbon dioxide from body tissues to lungs, and from lungs it is exhaled outside. The clotting property, main function of platelets. WBCs, these are soldiers of the body. These kill bacteria and germs. Blood also acts as buffer, means it maintains pH. If there is any slight acidic or basic increase in blood, it can maintain itself. Blood vessels. These are elastic tubes which carries bloods. Arteries, veins and capillaries are there three types. Arteries are thick-walled, whereas veins are thin-walled, and capillaries are also thin-walled. Arteries carries oxygenated blood. These carries deoxygenated blood, and capillaries are the junction between arteries and veins. As they carry oxygenated blood, they carry blood away from heart. They carry blood towards heart, and these are the combination of arteries and veins. Arteries do not have valves, but veins have valves because to prevent backflow. Because when deoxygenated blood is retransported to heart, it makes sure that there is no backflow of deoxygenated blood, so there are valves present. Capillaries do not need valves. Arteries have narrow lumen, veins have wide lumen, and capillaries have very narrow lumen. In arteries, blood flow is fast because here blood is pushed by heart during pumping. Veins, the flow is slow and steady. In capillaries, the flow is very slow. And there are two more arteries and veins. These are pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins. The pulmonary arteries carries deoxygenated blood to lungs, and pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood to heart. Their functions are different from veins and arteries. The function of veins played by pulmonary arteries, and the function of arteries is played by pulmonary veins. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.